Railways achieves 15% progress in CSMT Redevelopment project. CSMT 2.0 to offer airport-like experience for passengers. Project to include space for commercial and residential units in South Mumbai. 95% excavation work for the new DRM building is complete. Piling work for officers' residential complex is fully finished. RLDA actively monitors CSMT redevelopment for timely completion. Ahluwalia Contracts Limited executing the redevelopment project. Central Railway approved the plan on 19 December 2022. Project cost is 2,450 crore rupees, 341 crore rupees spent so far. CSMT redevelopment covers 4,61,534 square meters area. New 4-story DRM building is under construction near platform 18. Existing DRM building to be demolished after new one is built. 65% foundation work for the DRM building is complete. Redevelopment includes passenger buildings and parcel service facilities. Project will feature decks connecting Mail Express and local trains. Skywalks are part of the CSMT redevelopment plan.